So today I have really important tip about showing your multi-select choices options from Dataverse, from Sharepoint, etc., from everywhere in your Powerapps gallery. So I have my table board games which have a choice. This is a multiple selection choice. This is important, which is a mechanic of the board game, and I have already some data here. For example, dice manipulation and area control in Agricola. This is of course nonsense, but let's reference it here. So I've already have the gallery which have this its source as board games, and in here I've created the text label. In this text label, I want to concatenate those names, which will be separated by a comma, and I want to use this as a text. So first of all, what I've seen is that you are trying to concatenate on this item, and in here in this item use the proper choice column. This is a mistake. You already need to concatenate on the choice as a table, as this will be a first part of the concatenation. This is our table which already have those names. So in here I only need to use the values, because the value will be the text representations of what I have in my choice. As you can see, those are the text. This is the text field, and if I go to the column, I can see that I have the choice already created. Those choices have values, but those values, which as you can see are numbers, this will be transferred into the text, which is here. So you need to use the value, and I will just separate it by the comma, and that's it. I'm already successful. So this is your formula. First of all, remember not to please don't use lookup, because lookup will reference only the first occurrence. So if you use multiple lookups, you will end with the first match, and you can end with dice manipulation, instead of what you are looking for, if you will count how many choices are selected. So this is important. Don't use lookup in here. And that's all. That was a quick tip. I hope you like it. I hope that helped resolve your problems. And I have many other Power Platform Powerapps videos where I solve popular and rare errors, etc. And I teach Powerapps. So Zbigniew out. See you.